Alright guys, in this video you'll see the difference between the Victorinox Huntsman and the Explorer. This right here is the Huntsman, 4 layers, and on the back it has the corkscrew with a little screwdriver in it. And here is the Huntsman, also 4 layers, with a corkscrew which I put a Phillips screwdriver in it. Okay, so they both have right here the bottle opener and the can opener, which also has the screwdrivers on the end. They both have the small blade and the big blade. They both have the scissors. So far everything is the same. Now here's the difference between the Huntsman, which has a saw, and the Explorer, where instead of a saw it has a screwdriver and a magnifying lens. Now the lens itself is made out of glass, and it's in a piece of plastic. Okay, so there you go. That is the main difference between the two knives. The back is basically the same, where you have the multi-purpose hook and the reamer. Alright, so this is a really good screwdriver that actually locks on an angle or not. And let me tell you something, what I like about the Huntsman is that this saw is absolutely fantastic. I've used it for a lot of different things, to saw but also to scrape stuff. It is a high quality saw and I've used it quite a bit. But anyway, both 4-layer knives, about the same size. Put them together. Actually, I should put it like this. I'd say this one is a little wider, the Explorer, but both fantastic knives depending on what you prefer for your use. Would you use this more, the Explorer with the magnifying lens and the Phillips, or the saw? I personally, this is in my pocket all the time. This is more in and around the house if we're doing stuff, but when I leave my house, when I go somewhere, this is on me wherever I go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments which one you like better or have the best experience with, and we'll see you all in the next video. Take care.